and gentlemen, this is EMC Web TV. Thank you for joining us this week in the hospitality world. The state of Florida sues online travel companies over hotel taxes. The state of Florida is suing online travel reservation companies over hotel taxes, the latest in a string of lawsuits nationwide, claiming the sites owe local authorities millions of dollars. Attorney General Bill McCollum sued Expedia and Orbitz on Tuesday, claiming they failed to pay Florida the full amount of taxes collected on hotel room rentals through the sites. The customer is paying the tax already, said McCollum, who is running for governor in 2010. Orbitz and Expedia are not remitting to the state all the taxes they have collected. Consumers are charged a rate when they book a room online, and the company later reimburses the hotels a lesser amount, allowing them to pocket service fees. The taxes are paid on that less expensive rate, prompting legal action by cities and states that claim they're being cheated out of millions of dollars in tax dollars. Similar complaints against online travel companies have been filed by cities including New York, Chicago, Philadelphia, San Francisco, and Atlanta, and the tourist town of Branson. Officials have alleged that online travel services charged customers for local tourism taxes but never remitted those funds. IPO watch: Hyatt Hotels up next. Hyatt Hotels is the next initial public offering slated to debut this week. One of the more anticipated IPOs of the year, Hyatt is expected to begin trading this Friday in an offering that could raise more than $1 billion. They announced that it will issue at least 38 million shares, priced between $23 and $26 each. Still, Hyatt isn't expected to receive much capital from the deal, as the Pritzker family is the sole selling shareholder. Hyatt will, however, receive proceeds from a $5.7 million allotment of shares, which would raise about $142 million, according to Morningstar. Hyatt will compete on the market with other hotel operators like Starwood Hotels and Resorts Worldwide, which owns Sheraton Hotels and Marriott International. On Monday, the hotel operator said its hotel occupancy rates are finally stabilizing. The company expects this trend to continue. It does, however, foresee continued pressure on average room rates, as the unstable economy makes it difficult to predict future demand in the industry. Hyatt said its RevPAR dropped 22% in the first 9 months of the year, while revenue fell 17% to $2.42 billion. The company swung to a loss of $31 million compared with a profit of $310 million during the same time last year. Booking hotels for less. Travelers had their own ideas for booking the cheapest hotel room based on comments to a Sunday Practical Travel column, which tested 4 booking methods across a range of hotels in New York City. Several readers recommended Priceline and Hotwire, which offered deep discounts to those willing to pay before learning the names of the hotels. I was traveling to Minneapolis frequently on business and always got rates 40–50% lower than hotel websites and Expedia, Hotels.com, Orbitz, etc., said Bharat Rao from New York. 4 tips on using those sites: see Practical Traveler, biting online for better deals. If you prefer knowing the exact hotel before booking it, consider booking well in advance. Leading Hotels of the World, a collection of high-end properties, has been offering early bird specials between 15% and 35% off if you book as early as 2 months ahead. A reader identified as Ben from Austin recommends using a mix of cash and loyalty points to get a better rate. He also suggests asking for a corporate rate if you work for a large company, even when traveling for vacation. If worst comes to worst, he said, stay in New Jersey. A 20-minute train trip can shave hundreds of dollars of New York City hotel rates. Ladies and gentlemen, have a nice day and join us next week for some more video news on EMC Web TV.